morning, everyone. I'm a third-year student at Amando Coffee College. This is one of our many WebQuest reports. Today I'll be tackling English, and our report will be about changing direct speech to recorded speech when using say or tell. In direct speech, I like puppies. In recorded speech, he says I like puppies. As you can see, we use he. It's important to change the gender of who you're talking to. Depending if it's a boy or a girl, you can use he or she. Next is I like puppies. He said that he likes puppies. As you can see, we can use that if we want to. It usually helps with grammar, but it's optional. So you can use that whether you like it or not. Next, we'll be using direct speech. The rose is red. Recorded speech, he said the rose is or was red. It's important to remember the time of your sentence. If it's in present or past form. Use is if it's in present, was if it was past. Okay, if the statement is a question, what do you do? Here it is. Direct speech, where do you shop? In reverse speech becomes, she asked me where I go shopping. As you can see, you still use she to describe the gender of the person asking the question, and then use asked me, because the person here is asking you. Okay. Yes or no question. Do you like jazz music? In recorded speech, she asked if I like jazz music. In yes or no questions, it's good if you add if, because you don't know whether the answer is yes or no. Using ask and told. First jumping. Okay, direct speech. Please help, don't fight. In recorded speech, she asked me not to fight. Since this is a request, it becomes this. The combination is ask me to the infinitive and the verb. In negative requests, these are more like orders. Please don't miss the next exam. Direct speech. He asked us not to miss the next exam. Recorded speech. Sit down. Another command. He told me to sit down. As you can see, you can add told because it's more of a command than a request. Time. Okay, in direct speech, here's an example. It's Tuesday. Uncle Frank is coming today. In recorded speech, it becomes today. Uncle Frank said he is coming today. If it's the day after, Uncle Frank said he was coming yesterday because it's the day after, so yesterday. A few days later, Uncle Frank said he was coming on that day. There's no exact date that's written here, so you have to use on that date because there's nothing there described. Okay, table of possible conversations. These are possible conversations that you will have, and these are the different times you can use to combine it with the recorded speech. Now and today, yesterday, last night. I'm sure you can already get the gist of it, of what I'm trying to say in the combinations. Last week, and tomorrow. And here's a little activity for you guys. Try changing these statements into recorded speech. Please pause the video at numbers 5 or 6, because after that will be the answers to the questions. Here are the answers to the questions. See if you got them right. That is all. Thank you.